you wake up every morning, use a winner, yeah.
What going on, guys? It's your girl Razor in the ding, and welcome back to another video. If you're new, hey boo, and if you're returning, what's up, what's up, what's up? House has been hella full, so I can't sit down and talk, sorry. But in today's video, I'm going to be blow drying my hair, specifically for a trim, a little trim, using this hair dryer brush set that I got from Amazon. It's 4-in-1 and it comes with detachable heads. I already showed you guys the first brush. We have another brush. What else do we have? We have a diffuser type head. I'm guessing this is a new style of blow dryers now that we're heading into. We also have the piece that you attach the head to. They razzle dazzled us with a comb, some gloves so you won't burn yourself, something to clean it with, and some hair clip. And this is the attachment I'm going to be using today. It's the rounded brush. This was my second attempt at filming this video. My hair was already prepped. I shampooed and deep conditioned in the shower and applied some blow dry cream on my hair. You know we have to smell products before we apply them. To begin the blow dry process, I applied a Blowout Shine Gloss Serum Balm. These products by this brand are really good, by the way. They were made for heat styling, but I unraveled my twist and applied the serum just a little bit. And now it's time for my first use and impression. I had no idea what I was doing actually, because this was my first time using it. I started at the back section, you know, you have to work your way to the top. I started off with using the high setting. I was trying to figure it out by blow drying from different angles, trying to brush through my ends. Then I started to twist and turn until I eventually got the hang of it. So yes, it takes a lot of twisting and turning, but once you get the hair on the brush and it's smoothed out, you can start to twist and turn. Okay, let's talk about the cons. This bad boy gets hella hot. I mean, that's why it came with gloves. You know, my hands also kept pressing the latch to detach the head because the barrel got really slippery from the products. The bottom piece was also coming off. I had to keep readjusting my hands, and I had to try to hold it in a way to where I didn't touch the attachment, because the attachment also got really hot. But we got it, you know, we did. Emphasis on we, because we're in this together. I don't know if any of you have tried this before. If you have, let me know, and you can drop some tips in the comment section down below as well. Another con is that it doesn't really get the roots, but I figured out a way to do so. It eventually got my hair pretty straight. I bantu knotted each section to get my hair out of the way for the next section. But I usually bantu knot to stretch my hair in a ballerina bun, but I bantu knotted each section this time. I had no intention of rocking a bantu knot out, but this is me trying to get a thumbnail in. I was acting all surprised, you know, the theatrics. That was a thumbnail action going on right there, okay? My ends surprisingly did not look that bad, but I want you guys to understand that I have different textures throughout my head and different lengths, and they respond differently to everything. So my hair won't look uniform. That's what I'm trying to say. But you know, you have to do what works for your hair. Okay, so now let's talk about the pros. It got my hair pretty straight, as I said. My hair was smooth and the process was somewhat quick once I got the hang of it. I had to get over that learning curve first. I didn't have as much frizz either. Look at this section, for example, and you see the bottom section looks straight as if I used a flat iron, and the top looks more blow dried, but it's still straight. Oh, to get at my roots, I had to pass the brush on my roots a couple of times, and I had to let the blow dryer sit on my roots for a couple seconds, well, a couple seconds more than usual. I bantu knotted each section. Remember, I did this to stretch my hair. I was not expecting the results that's to come out of this, right? Let's all be shocked at the same time. So hair is where I trimmed, but I've been dusting and cutting my ends over the past couple months. So for each section that I unraveled, I trimmed the ends that seemed pretty straight and rough and ragged. Now let's look at this unraveling, guys. Yeah, listen. Bantu knot outs is a style that I don't really care for because it never worked for me. But these results though, and to think that I wasn't going for a style. This wasn't supposed to be happening. I just wanted to blow dry my hair, trim it, and go about my business. But when I unraveled these, I was like, yo, this looks so good. Look at the fullness, the shine. What else we have? The volume. You know, my hair just looked good. And I was not expecting the results. So of course, some sections of my hair got a lot straighter than some, but that's okay because as I said, I have different textures throughout my hair and they respond differently to different things. Your right, which is my left in the video, didn't come out the best on the top, but it still looked good. And as I said, this wasn't supposed to be a style. I was like, oh yes, baby, yes, like give it to me, Razor, give it to me. I loved it so much. Now I know, you know, when I want to do a Bantu knot out, this is what I have to do, and I'm wondering if using less products or not using products really at all, if it's the key to make a Bantu knot look really good for me. So I also tried the side part. I started with the middle part, but I tried the side part to see how that would look as well, and we were loving it. Too bad that I had to like brush it all out and put my hair into a ballerina bun to get my hair off of me and out of the way. And I was still examining the ends. As I said, I mostly did this to trim my hair, but now I know I can get a bomb Bantu knot out. Yes, yes, yes. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you guys in the next one. Bye.